My child refuses to put on their own shoes, pack their own backpack, etc. every morning, even though I know that they can physically do it because I've seen them do it before. Yeah, they probably do have the skills to do it and the cognitive understanding of how to do those things, but what's very common for pathologically demand-avoidant children and teens is that they have cumulative nervous system stress that actually disables them from acting from their frontal lobe or their thinking brain. And so we can actually lower the demand of putting on their shoes or making their lunch for them so that they don't reach their threshold and go into constant fight, flight, freeze. Yeah, but then you're not teaching them what they need to do, and there's a cost to me because then I have to put their shoes on for them and make their lunch. There are two mindset shifts that I'd love for you to experiment with. The first is the fact that nobody can learn when they're in their survival brain. It's actually part of the brain where nobody can access rational thought, sequencing, cause and effect, or even access empathy. So we need to rethink that learning piece. And then the second part, in terms of cost, we want to think long term, because even though it doesn't seem like it, making your child put their shoes on and pack their lunch if they're pathologically demand avoidant and close to their threshold may impact